Hello everyone, once again I would like to share how our Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera is working. This one is Corolla 2015 generation 13 and 16. If you want to see a full video review and other work in this car, please look at the video in our system. But here we focus on how the anti-glare feature for the reverse camera is working. Now we put it into the reverse mode, and you can see here is the sun. That is the sun on the sky right now, and it is super bright. Of course, it's a very sunny day, and the sun is there. If you look up the sky now, you will be blind straight away. Or if in case you have a normal camera, you put it up there, it will be washed out on the screen. But at this moment the camera already blocked the sun as a dot of light. You can see that, and it helps you to see everything out around very clear and detailed. You can see it how detailed this one is. Okay, not losing any single details of other section. You can see that it can help you to see very clear piece of thing around there, and that is when it point directly to the sun. So the same effect of the anti-glare will happen when we do in the night time. If someone headlight to your car, when you reverse, it will look just like that, and it will help you to see surrounding objects very clear and detailed. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.